finds them, he finds them working. In fact, the scripture says that Peter and Andrew were casting their nets, and James and John were mending their nets. Peter and Andrew are going out, and they're the ones catching the fish. And it is James and John that's mending the net to make sure that the fish don't get away. Don't miss it. There are some of us who are called to go out and cast the net and bring them in through the preaching of the gospel of Jesus Christ. But the work isn't theirs alone. But the rest of us, once the fish come in, we've got to do the work of mending some nets. We've got to mend nets so that the fish that have come to the Lord don't get away. They were busy